this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I'll demonstrate how you modify the information about your course or the heading. So now we are in the course page. It's just an empty shell. First, we need to turn editing on. Click Edit Mode on the right, and now notice that you have these edit options. We click here on the little pencil icon, and then type the name of the course. On the right-hand side, click on Edit, the three dots, the quick menu, and then click on Edit Settings. Here you can put your name, contact information, maybe a brief overview of the course, an image, and so on. Here you can use any of those tools, including options to record a quick video or an audio file. In my case, I'm going to show you how you add an image as part of the course overview area. Go to the very beginning, click on the image option, click to upload, select my file, and then you could set it to be the original size, but it's going to be too big. So I'll change it to be custom size, a 500 pixel width, put a description, and then press save. By default, it's going to put the image on the left-hand side. I'm going to simply click on the image here, click on the indentation to the right, and then press Save Changes. Next, here we turn editing off, and this is how it will look for the top of the page. Now to go to the page itself for the whole course, click here on this breadcrumb with a course code, and this is how it looks so far.